Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So glad to have you here. A little bit of a different video. I have joined the world of Festool. Never thought I'd be saying that ever, considering I'm just a home DIYer. But I do like to dabble in woodworking and some furniture building as well. So I went ahead, bit the bullet, and got a Festool RTS 400 sander. And I just want to show you an unboxing real quick. Nothing too crazy, nothing very much in depth, just kind of show you how this is laid out because I was very impressed to the point where I actually bought the sanding, I guess you could say, sidekick that comes with it, with the Systainer as well. So let's jump in and take a look at what comes in this full kit. Okay, so this is the Systainer. It says it's the STF 80 by 133 GR. So this is the sanding accessory kit that comes with it. So it comes with all your different papers. Pretty sweet little setup that you can essentially attach these together and pick up one handle and the whole thing comes with you. So let me go ahead, we're going to take this one off though and show you what's in the main sander box. So very impressive packaging. This is actually something I got off of Amazon. I'll show you in a second. But first off, comes with all of your documentation, how to use. Never really, I don't know how many people use that with sander, but I'm sure they do it for liabilities. The sander itself, it feels very, very nice. I've actually not used this. There's actually a project going on right here that you're going to see me use this for the first time. Very excited to use this. So within here you have all, I believe this is just called blow molded. So you have your actual sander itself, you have your dust bag, a cord, and they give you one piece of 120 grit sandpaper for your new sander here. So very, very neat, very, very interesting. I actually have some packouts. I have Ryobi Link stuff. This is, so far in terms of what comes with it, organization wise, this is probably the best that I've seen come from the factory. But I started looking into buying more of these Systainers, and I don't know, for me, the packouts that I have a couple so far. I really want to start buying some of the bigger stuff for some of my left line of sight saws and reciprocating saws and stuff like that. It just seems like there's more out there for packout to make it more customizable to you. And the Systainer stuff is cheaper, but it also, I mean, the flex of it as well was a little bit of a concern. I will pretty regularly go help others, whether it's like my dad or brother or friends of mine with some projects they have, and I think the packout would survive some of the potential issues it may run into of falling off, whether someone tries to carry too much stuff, dropping one on concrete. I think that would last better. Now if I was able to build out like a full shop, I would probably go with the Systainer though. They have some very nice small parts organizers that are pretty spectacular, I would say. But yeah, it's just, I think for the price and the ability for me to just go to Home Depot and get packout is what's going to make me buy more packouts. But if I ever get to a spot where I have my own wood shop, I would love to deck it out with Systainers. So very impressed with the overall quality of just the stuff that comes in terms of the cord and the dust bag, and I'm very excited to jump into using this. I've heard nothing but good things about this. I do want to show you one thing. So there's I believe the other company is called Surf Prep. They're known for the paddle sander that has the sponges that can do contours. Found a company on Amazon that has the sponges, and these were, I believe for 4 of these, it was under 20 bucks. And if you'll look, the whole pattern, how do I make sure I get this in shot for you, is actually very close, if not perfectly close. So I'm very interested to see how this goes. The project I have going on right here is some handrails, so I need to be able to get some contour out of my sander, and I think this is going to help me do it. And what's cool is, since they are just sticky back Velcro, they're actually so hard I can't do it with one hand. I believe I can actually stack them up and get some more cushion out of it and get some more contour conforming. So this will then take a piece of sandpaper and off you go. So if you want to see how that goes, tune into my next video. That'll be coming out here hopefully relatively soon. I'm redoing a staircase, banisters and handrails and spindles. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have one of these or any other sanders that I should try, please let me know. So we'll see you down in the comments below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.